aspire to do something different, and we've managed to transition people away from our program into college or into work. So you know, we love the work that we do because we do see the fruits of that.
Yeah, that shows. It really shows. It's great. I mean, you know, you're working with Bolton CVS at the moment just to make sure that, you know, what you're doing is what you're meant to be doing, and it is. So, you know, it shows that you really are passionate about it and just want to make sure that you're doing it right, and that it's more than just a dream, and it's more than just something that's really small that you're kind of working on. You're looking to expand, and we're backing you.
Hi, so we're here at Genuine Futures Hub, the Young Futures Hub, and I've got Jen Clarkson with me from Bolton CVS to come and talk to me about safeguarding, which has been really informative. It's been brilliant. So thanks for your help there, Jen. Yeah. And I just wanted to ask you, in terms of what we talked about today, how have your meeting been? How have you found it, coming to Genuine Futures and having a look around the scrapyard and looking at the work we do? How have you found that?
I found it quite inspiring, actually. I think from personal experience of having a daughter that doesn't always want to attend school, being able to see that there are other options out there where doors have closed, you guys are opening them and giving people a shot and giving them a chance, and that can be life-changing for them. So I'm a fan, big fan.
Thank you. And you know, when you look around, we see that obviously we've got an education system which it doesn't fit for everybody. So as an alternative provision, we're trying to, you know, offer like a 360 model of work for people where they can come in, they can learn some transferable skills, whether it's working in the car wash, valeting cars, or even light vehicle maintenance, just learning about looking after people's property and providing a service. When you look around and you see different provisions around, what are your thoughts on what you see here and what's on offer here at Genuine Futures?
I just think it gives people confidence, workplace mentality, and just having a place where people feel they can be themselves and develop is just huge, because a lot within the education system, a lot of confidence can be knocked and people might be written off. And so to come to a place where they're not, and more than not being written off, actually valued, can then set them on a great career path in the future. So I just think it's really needed at the moment, and there should be a lot more places like this.
And we have had that experience. You know, people have come on the programme from 2 years of isolation, you know, living in isolation, and then coming on the programme and learning to talk with people, learning to develop those communication skills, and then finally feeling a little bit more confident and actually starting to aspire to do something different. And we've managed to transition people away from our program into college or into work. So you know, we love the work that we do because we do see the fruits of that.
Yeah, that shows. It really shows. It's great. I mean, you know, you're working with Bolton CVS at the moment just to make sure that, you know, what you're doing is what you're meant to be doing, and it is. So, you know, it shows that you really are passionate about it and just want to make sure that you're doing it right, and that it's more than just a dream, and it's more than just something that's really small that you're kind of working on. You're looking to expand, and we're backing you.
Yeah, and we really appreciate that. You know, we know there's a big problem, not just in this town, in many towns across the country. And we want to be part of that solution. So we're trying to do everything we can, which is why we've invited you to come out and just tell us what it is that we need to do. And we appreciate your guidance on what it is we need to do. So lastly then, Jen, what would you say to anybody who's thinking of working with Genuine Futures?
Absolutely go for it. Like, even just have a look around, you know, because sometimes it's just that getting through the door that will then lead on to more things. So if you're not quite sure, everyone is really friendly here. That's all I've experienced. So just get in the door, see what it's like, and see what you think.
Brilliant. Well, thank you, Jen. Thanks for coming out to see us. It's great talking to you. Thank you.
You too. Thank you.
On the yard at the scrappers where engines used to fade, we built a hub of hope where futures can be made. sponges, steady hands, graph beneath the sun. Young voices rising, proving change has just begun. When we share